Hello there, Farhana Dalla here, international best-selling author of the book Thank You for Leaving Me. I got to tell you, for years that book was in my belly. I knew I wanted to write it, and then for more years it was on my computer. But I didn't know the steps and the processes, so I spent those years researching, plugging in the tools, and putting it in together. And I just read Book Power right now, and I got to tell you, I am blown away as to how comprehensive this book is in answering all the questions. I know that was yearning inside of me would have come out way quicker with a tool like this. So please, that book that's inside you, and really for anyone running a substantial business and wanting to grow their business, authoring a book is a pretty important part of that whole portfolio. You can remove all of those blocks and get everything you need, the questions you want answered and the questions you still don't know that need to be answered, all here very easily. So gift yourself this experience of Book Power.